Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 288 kit build. In this part of the series, we are just going to put together the shift rod and attach it to the chassis shift servo. For that, you'll need the following parts. You'll need the shift rod, the rod end for that shift rod, and this M2x8 cap head screw from bag H. Now the first thing we're going to do is to attach the shift rod to the rod end. Now this one's going to be really interesting because you're going to have to measure the length from the eye of the rod end to this, from the eye of the rod end to this angled part up here should be 39 millimeters in distance. So this angled part up here to the rod end eye should be 39 millimeters. So you'll need your calipers and measure that distance, or you can try to compare it on the manual. But I'm going to do that and we'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this shift linkage 39 millimeters from this side to the eye of the rod end right there. So let's go ahead and put it on. Alright, and that is the shift servo linkage installed. All that's left now is to adjust it when we power on the electronics. Just gotta adjust the endpoints to make sure you don't burn out your servo. And that completes this part of the build series. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification for the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 288 kit build. Thanks for watching.